now with our play of the day, and the newlyweds to the rescue. Meet Eduardo and Reagan, Marine sergeants serving at Quantico in Virginia. 2 days before their wedding, they visited an animal shelter hoping to adopt a pup. Well, the couple immediately fell in love with, how could you not, 4-month-old Daisy, the German Shepherd. So they had to return to the grand opening of the shelter's new branch and be first in line, otherwise there were no guarantees. There was just one problem. It was the exact date and time of their wedding ceremony. So they moved the ceremony up 2 hours, said their I do's, then rushed to the animal shelter in their wedding clothes. There you see them. After signing the adoption papers, they rushed back to their wedding reception, introduced Daisy to the entire family. Eduardo says Daisy's definitely our favorite wedding present. And they had their priorities straight.
They are.
And go ahead, Robin.
And now they're inseparable. That was pretty good. I was like,
couldn't step on that one. Very happy.
Thank you, Rebecca, for bringing that to us.